This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a tree-lined stretch of Sheridan Road in Lakeview, just west of Lakeshore Drive, for a walk through one of the apartments at Sheridan Shores. I'm in apartment 515, looking at a closet that would have been off to your right as you entered, and an intercom to the front door. Turning for a look into a spacious living room, looking at hardwood oak flooring that extends throughout the apartment. It's bright in here. There's a wide window with a sill that would be ideal to set your plants on. Plenty of space to lay out your living room furniture, home office desk, and a logical spot to place your dining room table. The ceiling fan up above. Kitchen has granite counters, stainless steel sink, dishwasher, built-in microwave, 4-burner gas range, and good cabinet and counter space. Through-the-wall air conditioning units here, something you don't always find in the Lakeview neighborhood. Straight ahead, closet with shelving for linens. Another closet off to my right as I head toward the bath. It's been updated. Has polished granite look tile, wide mirror above the vanity, soap dishes in the shower. Turning into the bedroom. Plenty of space to accommodate a king-size bed, your nightstands, dresser. Another bright window. And you have a wide wall of closets. This is a large, bright one-bedroom with well above average closet space in an appealing location just off Lakeshore Drive. Definitely want to have Sheridan Shores on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.